Would you trust a portable air conditioner that claims it can cool an entire room for a fraction of the price? Before you buy the Usbesty Portable AC, you need to hear this. The official Usbesty website advertises a compact, portable AC that's energy efficient, easy to use, and capable of delivering powerful cooling. Sounds amazing, but here's where things get interesting. Independent reviewers say there's little evidence that it works like a real air conditioner. Instead, it appears to function more like a small personal air cooler or fan. Unlike a true AC, it doesn't clearly show specifications like a BTU rating, a compressor, or an exhaust system, features required to actually cool a room. Another red flag? Most of the positive reviews are found only on the official website, while verified customer experiences on trusted platforms are very limited. Some reviewers also questioned the product's marketing claims and advised buyers to be cautious before purchasing. So, is Usbesty a scam? There's no definitive proof that every order is fraudulent, but multiple independent reviews recommend caution because of the exaggerated advertising and lack of verified customer feedback. Always do your research before buying. If this video saved you money, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone before they click that Buy Now button.